Hey guys, welcome back to the Canning Nana. You see part of my scalloped potatoes, my dehydrated potatoes that we made that we're going to make scalloped potatoes out of. Not in this video, but so I did a short video, and this is the longer explanation. So these are the potatoes that we blanched first, sliced thinly, and then blanched first, and put them in the dehydrator. So I said that I was going to put it in for, I think I said 6 to 7 hours. So from the time that I showed you guys that video, when I put them in, I checked about 2 hours later, and they were almost all the way dry. So the total process of this, I let it go a little bit longer to make sure that they were, nice and dry. There's no moist places in it or anything. I mean, that's what you want to hear, is that, they're totally dry. So yeah, I checked them, and they were done pretty much. So I kept them in for another hour, just to make sure. And you can't over dehydrate your food. It's not going to hurt it. I mean, you don't want to do it for hours after, but hours more than it should be. But an hour or two after you should have taken it out, maybe. It's fine. It's not going to shrivel up. So so these were in, probably, I left them in probably for a total, oops, this one doesn't want to go in, a total of about 4 hours, I would say. And I use the Excalibur 9 tray, and I think I'm actually going to do some more of these, because look just the color of these. I mean, yes, I left the skins on, but the color is just beautiful. Now, if you didn't blanch these, by this time now, you would start seeing these dark black spots, sometime in the middle, usually at the ends, and then it works their way in until the whole thing is just dark black or dark brown. It looks unappetizing. It doesn't change the flavor. It gives it a weird aftertaste flavor. It doesn't really taste like potatoes should, but yeah, I would blanch. If you want something to come out right, don't take the extra, don't take the shortcuts, is what I want to say. There's been a lot of people here on YouTube, people, that do this for a living, try out these foods and exactly what works, what doesn't. It's been tried. So if we're saying, and there's a lot of us on YouTube that are saying, blanch your vegetables first, blanch your potatoes first. This is how they come out, and it comes out really good. So, let those of us who've made mistakes in the past to do the hard work for you, and take a little bit of that off, because this is very easy to do, but you don't want to do it wrong and then be disappointed and just, give up on dehydrating your food, because it really is a wonderful thing. So I will leave you guys with that and get on with my other projects that I have going on today. We will see you soon. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We have a lot of things coming up, including a big, huge giveaway for 5,500 plus subscribers. Please like the video and comment below, and let me know that you're watching and what you would like to see. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.